Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be reviewing the Minipiuma by Montolit. Now, this is a very small, compact little tile cutter, manual tile cutter for small format tile as well as large format tile, and we will show you that. Very compact for compact areas, small bathrooms such as bathrooms that we remodel. Also, it cuts extremely clean, a lot cleaner than your cheap $20 14-inch, 12-inch manual tile cutters. It also cuts very thick and hard porcelain, which those cheap $20 manual cutters cannot cut. So, without further ado, let's bring the camera up close, unbox this little tile cutter, and show you how it cuts. Here we go. So here it is, the Minipiuma by Montolit, 14-inch manual tile cutter. Let's unbox. Instructions, as well as oil. And there you go. This is a small, very, very small tile cutter, but high quality, made in Italy. We currently own a Montolit tile cutter and absolutely love it. Now, this tile cutter can cut glass, ceramic, stone, as well as hard porcelain. I'm talking hard porcelain, and right now porcelain is one of the most popular tiles on the market. Here is your protractor square. You have a spring-loaded tray. Here's your small fence for making numerous cuts of the same size. We'll pull this off. Now, this is a push cutter. You can cut diagonal cuts, 22.5 and 45. In my opinion, two of the best things about this manual tile cutter is, one, the size. We often remodel bathrooms and showers in very, very small areas. And if you can place this inside the bathroom during a remodel, tile in a shower, tiling a floor, it absolutely speeds up time rather than having to set up a full-size wet saw outside of the bathroom, down the stairs, outside somewhere of the home. You can simply set this on a vanity on a table within the bathroom, make your cuts, install your tile. The second great thing about this is that it cuts very hard porcelain, unlike this tile cutter here. This is a cheap Home Depot $20 tile cutter. Yes, it's good for small subway tiles, also good for ceramics, soft tile, but it has a lot of flex on this rail, if you can see that there. And that flex gives this tile cutter a lot of problems cutting hard porcelain tile. This tile cutter is great for porcelain planks. Even if you have 24-inch or 36-inch porcelain planks, you can simply use a grinder to rip cut long ways porcelain planks, and then use this for all of your cross cuts, which usually are 80 to 90% of the cuts. Also, this can easily be used to install 12-inch by 24-inch hard porcelain for your shower. Again, 12 by 24-inch porcelain tile is the most common tile installed right now. And this can cross-cut the hardest porcelain tiles on the market. Let's quickly show you the tile we're going to cut with this. Very hard, rectified porcelain tile. We will cut 1/2-inch hard porcelain. We will cross-cut a porcelain plank. We will cross-cut textured hard porcelain. And lastly, we'll cut 3/8 of an inch thick glass. Here we go. Very clean cut, and again, all you have to do is bevel this cut edge with a diamond hand pad, and 1/2-inch hard porcelain. And there you go. Porcelain plank. Textured porcelain. It's all bumpy from the texture here. Sometimes tile cutters have a problem with this kind of porcelain. And there you go. Textured porcelain, clean cut. As usual, you hit it with a diamond pad. And now let's cut 3/8 inch glass. Well, there it is. The Minipiuma by Montolit. A very good quality manual tile cutter that not only is super compact for small areas, it can cut very hard porcelain. I bought this for around 190 bucks on eBay. You can buy it with a optional hard case for about 250 bucks, but I opted for the cutter alone. They do offer an optional rubber pad for your sheeted mosaics, but that will be on a future video. As usual, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.